fine, I swear. I think it's a bad idea. But yeah. Like here. But for you. Oh shit. This is not a good idea. How do you balance it out?
You just have to stand still, like.
I'm standing still, yeah.
Yeah, try and let go of the pole.
This is not a good idea. Oh, okay.
You get there, but slowly you get there.
So what can I do with this? I'm moving slowly.
Don't go down there, don't go down there. You're gonna try and go backwards. Put your body a bit backwards. Yeah. Now go forward a bit. Just go like you stand still, yeah? And just go like slowly like that. Do you get it? You're feeling it, yeah. And then now stop still. If you stop, now try and go backwards like slowly. Yeah, you're getting there. Be careful at the back. Now try and go on forward.
Yeah, that's not too bad. I guess. For the first time.
Yeah.
It's slow though.
Yeah, but it's your first time basically. You know?
Let me try and leave more.